Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to force restart a stuck or a frozen iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. So let's get started. Now with this process, the first thing you are going to locate the volume up and then the volume down button on your left hand side and then this big side button on the right hand side. So you are going to follow this sequence, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black. Again, volume up, volume down, pressing quickly and releasing it and then hold on to the side button just like that. And just keep on waiting until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I have my finger pressing, holding on, and then I will let go once I see the Apple logo up there. All this is doing is shutting down the phone software, reloading the code because it's most likely the software that causing the phone to be frozen or stuck. It will go ahead and fix that. This method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe, nothing will be getting deleted. And right after that, your phone should be unfrozen or unstuck. And if it does not work the first time, go ahead and try it again and again. The key thing is to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another before holding on to this side button just like that. And I'm going to do it again just to show you. You can do it as many times as you need until you can get the phone to be fixed. This method again will not delete any of your data, so just keep on trying until you can get it to force and then reload to fix any issue you are having. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace.